Dear students, in previous period we have learnt about the stages of growing crops. Let's see remaining lesson. See, students, you already know that farmers involve themselves in agricultural related works. For example, they are plowing, they are sowing seeds, they are protecting crops from the animals, birds, and like this, and spreading of fertilizers. So this type they are involved themselves in so many different agricultural related works. Okay, the farmers working in the fields are of three categories. Whatever we know that farmers are working there. Okay, you also know that if your parents or your father is farmer means, okay, and also I think you also have the farm. So that farmers working in their fields. Okay, that is the working of farmers in their field are categorized in three types. Okay, means there are three categories of farmers working their fields. Okay, workers. So see students, first one category is farm laborers. Second category is small scale farmers, and third category is large scale farmers. Okay, these are the categories that means farmers working in the fields are of their three categories, that are farm laborers, small scale farmers, and large scale farmers. Students, open your textbook page number 100. See there, read the information given below. Try to understand the three categories of the farmers. Okay, so see here, they are explained through this, that three categories are explained through this. So we'll read that. See, open your textbook page number 100. In first see paragraph, it is a village. All the people of the village are living with love, faith and peaceful coexistence. See here, there is a village. Okay, Halli. Okay, that is, there is a village. In that village all the people are living together with lovely, okay, with faith and very peacefully, and they are cooperating each other, they are helping each other, okay, in villages. So Rangamma belongs to the same village. She is from that village. Okay, she doesn't have agricultural land of her own, means she not have agricultural land or farm, means she aki kade hola illa. Okay, she not have any agricultural land, her own not is there. It is her responsibility to manage her family. If she not have agricultural land, then she is responsible to that manage her family. So she does weeding, planting and separating cotton from the plant in other farms. See that Rangamma, weeding means she is remove unwanted plants from land. Okay, that are also growing in with the crops. Okay, so that unwanted plants, she is removing the unwanted plants and planting and also separating cotton from the plant in other farms. ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ರಂಗಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, and Julkamma of the same village, she is also belongs in that only village. Okay, is a close friend of Rangamma. Okay, Julkamma is a close friend of Rangamma in same village, in that village. Julkamma is a farmer. She is close friend of Rangamma. She owns a piece of land. ಆಕಿ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಲ ಐತಿ ಜುಲ್ಕಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, ಜುಲ್ಕಮ್ಮನ ಕಡೆ she owns a piece of land. She runs her family by selling crops grown on her farm. She is growing in her farm, in her agricultural land. She is growing crops and selling them. Okay, and runs her family on that. And see, both these women like how Rangamma and how Julkamma like that women Manjamma very much. Means see, Manjamma is a successful lady agriculturist. See, means she is a successful farmer. Okay, Manjamma is a successful lady farmer or agriculturist. She owns about 10 to 15 acres of land. She has more land, 10 to 15 acres of land in the village. Many women of the village like Rangamma, how Rangamma like that women in her agricultural land they are working. Okay, in Manjamma's agricultural land there are many women of the village are working in Manjamma's land. And see, Manjamma not only grows crops but also she rears fowl and cattle. Fowl means she is rearing birds. For example, poultry farm, that also ಕೋಳಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕೋಳಿಗಳು, okay, that is. And cattle, see, we are rearing in our house buffaloes, cows, goats, these are called as a cattle. Okay, she is rearing fowl and cattle. Except that land also she is doing working. She have the own of her 10 to 15 acres of land. Again she is doing rearing fowl and cattle. She purchases modern agricultural equipments for cultivation purposes. See, modern equipments mean tractors, different machineries, harvesting machines, like that. That equipments, which tools we are using in agricultural activities, that are called as the equipments. Okay, so that is modern agriculture tools like a tractor, harvesting machines, like this cultivator, this type. Okay, she also earns money through apiculture. Apiculture means what? Rearing of honeybees. Honeybee. Okay, rearing of honeybees. And sericulture means silkworm breeding. Okay, sericulture also. Sericulture means silkworm breeding, means reshmi hulugalannu saktarla, that is. So people of the village call her a large scale farmer. See, this type doing, she have the 10 to 15 acres own land. She is rearing bull, cattle. She have the modern equipments. Also she is earns money from the rearing of honeybees and silkworm means sericulture and that apiculture. So hence she is called as a large scale farmer. She always encourages and gives suggestion to the villagers to practice agriculture like her. Then she is getting more money, earning more money there. See, now we have read about the Rangamma, Julkamma and successful farmer Manjamma. Okay, and read also information, haven't you? So see, now match characters in the information with the correct word. See, Rangamma matches with which category? Tell me. She is a farm laborer. Okay, she is working in others' land. Okay, like a weeding, planting and separating cotton from the plant in other farms. So Rangamma matches with the category farm laborer, means she is a farm laborer. Next, Julkamma See, Julkama is a small scale farmer because she has the piece of land. Next, see Manjamma. She matches with which category? See there. See, large scale farmer. She belongs in large scale farmer. Means which category it is? Large scale farmer. Okay, let's see this one by one. Okay, farm laborers and small scale farmer, large scale farmer. First category is farm laborers. See, farm laborers do not have their own agricultural land. They are working in others' land. So they are called as a farm laborers. They work in some other person's field to earn their living. And farm laborers have problems of their own. Here are some statements given in your textbook. Put right mark to the statements that are related and put wrong mark to that are not related to the problems of the farm laborers. Then see, first one, farm laborers do not get work throughout the year. So students, farm laborers get work some in the seasons, okay, when farmers are growing their crops and where they have the work, then they are getting work. And during rainy season and also see in especially summer season, they not get the work. So this statement is correct, means right mark. Okay, next, second one, they get very less wage, means they not get more payment, they get very less payment. Okay, so this statement is correct. Farm laborers are very rich. This statement is wrong. Put wrong mark there. See, they get very less wage. The payment also have, comparing to some are working in as a government job, like that when we compare, no, they are getting less wage, means less payment. And farm laborers are not rich, they are poor. Okay. So these are the some problems of farm laborers. Okay. Many rules have been implemented to solve these problems of the farm laborers. For example, it is mandatory to give minimum wages to the laborers. Okay. Means students, और फार्म लेबर्स का इंतिष्ट पगार ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ to solve these problems. Okay, it is that is mandatory to give a minimum wages to the laborers, means payment to the laborers. Okay students, today enough this much. Till in next period we'll see the small scale farmers and large scale farmers. So take today's homework. Write the problems of the farm laborers. Okay, bye students, take care.